when we have a really healthy gut, we emit so much gastric acid. That's our primary way of preventing infections, pneumonia, and even cancers, right? Because we unload so much acid into the stomach. And the stomach literally will have like 1/2 inch to 2 centimeters of mucus to protect the lining so it doesn't just melt away, right, from all that acid. I used to work in a lab, and I had to make lab broth, for all the microbial cultures the post-grads and grad students working on. And I had to work with pH 1, and pH 2 chemicals, acids. So it's like, 1 normal acid, concentrations. And literally I would go home and I'd wash my clothes and I'd have holes all over my cotton t-shirts. pH 1 or 2 is very, very, it's acidic. Like, you'll blind yourself if you actually ever have it in your eye. You will denature all your proteins everywhere and have scarring. But that's what our gut releases. Our gut literally gets to pH 2, or even for some people lower. But pH 2 or 3 is very normal. And so when we're eating cooked starches, we make it resistant the second it hits our stomach, if we have a healthy stomach.
Oh my God, that's so interesting. Right?
Yeah.
And
that's how we chemically modify things.